Nandito tayo sa diversion kung saan si Karkar ay mayo.
Buang ni buang.
Huwag kayong maniwala dyan, guys. Don't mind him. This is the diversion
This
place.
is the buang.
Where is the fish is grow? Where is the fish grow? Don't find him, guys. Because it's crazy people. It's not crazy people, guys. No, it's not buang, guys.
Iup na, iup. Iup mo ba?
The bayot is here.
Kanang naiyabag.
You see the bayot. You see the vision. There's the fish grow here. The fish is not fine because he's sick. It's sick.